पटना EWS हल्दर, रोहतक EWS हल्दर, शानपुर, and learning and listening Sanskrit socialism. Yesterday, first I know my beloved George Foundation's wife, Leela Fernandez. Leela Kabir
Fernandez.
And consulate Jagat Guru Sri Ram Bhadracharya winning Jnanpith in Sanskrit. So Sanskrit and socialism as reflection from Ramayana. साईं इतना दीजिए कि मैं भी भूखा न रहूं और साधु ही भूखा न जाए.
साईं इतना दीजिए आंगन कुटी समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साधु ही भूखा ना जाए. यह है
What I am saying that you wrote that. I am the speaker. साईं इतना दीजिए साधु ही भूखा न जाए, मैं ही भूखा न जाए. So Sanskrit and socialism. Great Patna message to world. I don't know. When I was, still today I am telling you, because Bihar Sanskrit is center of Bihar politics, have been as Bihar Sanskrit is very close, just in front of Paras Hospital. And Swami Dayanand, Vice Chancellor of Sanskrit, and also Matadis of Choti Bari Math of Nalanda. But after the passing away of Swami Hanand, a man, Keswanand from Gujarat, running away.
केशवानंद फ्रॉम केरला मठाधीश.
No, Keswanand he is Bihari. Had gone there. He was also started his career there. Now he is really stopping all the Sanskrit schools, Sanskrit Vidyapith boys, not giving anything to them. So this man, Keshwanand, is really a criminal in Patna, Bihar Vidyapith, and disturbing a lot for the development of Sanskrit in Bihar. As I am telling you, when I passed 7th class. My father took me to a principal of Pune High School, Ramanand Jati. Give me admission in 10th class. He asked me, the principal, to cram one verse of Sanskrit. And when next morning went to meet him in his office, he didn't ask, which I had already crammed and memorized, but he didn't ask me. He gave me admission to grade 3 biology. And that Dharmanand Gaji later on became principal of Vedaribai High School and also became very high man. So Sanskrit was even in everything. So in Haryana, when DRC passed my proposal of thesis, my beloved teacher, my beloved professor, Professor Singh Daya, sir, took me to the Vice Chancellor of Amritsar University, Brigadier O.P. Chaudhary, sir. And Brigadier Chaudhary, sir, immediately okayed with a special power. The power, it takes time as the official process. So this Sanskrit of Bihar and Haryana, Haldar, all spoiled Haldars. Haldar are mostly spoiled, either Haryana or Bihar. And my ma'am, do you know Sanskrit? I say, ma'am, I am hungry Bihari. I have no food. How I can learn Sanskrit? Sanskrit is very good. I know Pali. Pali is like of common people. My Indian man recognized my Bihari political economic conditions. So she wrote a very high testimonials recommending for good financial support, but I couldn't get anywhere. But Professor Daya, a great professor of economics of Rohtak, University, very Indian man, he gave me a job of a school where I met principal of the school to run the school. It was English school. But Jhajjar is a place of Sanskrit. As Patna is a place of Sanskrit, Patna University. Devendra Sharma sir was vice chancellor of Patna University. Whose daughter, Dipiti Patna, was vice head of Patna. And Satyavrat Sastri sir, whom I also traveled to Thailand, he was teacher of Thailand. So all these Sanskrit. And even my teacher, my Panta mentor, he was also brilliant in Sanskrit. He was professor of Hindi in Patna University. And so, this Sanskrit and socialism, as George Fernandes said, Leela Fernandes man, Leela, Kabir, Fernandes, all she had met, George Fernandes, she had supported the socialism. And so, Sanskrit and socialism is very close relation. And so I request, as today he is also a member of going to MP of Patna, Ravisankar Prasad sir, he is member of parliament from Patliputra, and from that he can,
Not Patliputra, Patna side.
Patna, no, Patna, that falls in that. Vyas Nidhi falls in Ravisankar Prasad.
Patliputra MP Misa
That
Bharti.
Vyas Nidhi falls in Ravisankar Prasad sir's constituency. And
Ulta
he is
pulta
going
bolte
to, as a parliamentary delegate, to under the lead of Sasi Tharoor sir, Sasi Tharoor from Kerala, to give a message to the world that Pakistan is a terrorist country, a terrorizing world. But sir, I request Ravisankar Prasad, MP from and great leader of Patna and Bihar, should see into Bihar Sanskrit Vyapit how is particularly so he should look into the matter of Bihar Sanskrit Vyapit and to give full protection, full patronage to Bihar Sanskrit Vyapit students who are learning under them. With the guidance of Vaigyanik, he is in charge, he is taking off. And Swami Dyanand, Mathadis of Finance, Vice Chancellor of Bihar Sanskrit. So all fund, all development to be given to Bihar Sanskrit to make Bihar again number one. As in Jhajjar, that is a Gurukul, Sanskrit Gurukul. And Swami, Yoga Sastri is also product of that Gurukul. So all Sanskrit, so I request Sani sir, Chief Minister of Bihar, to give full patronage to Jhajjar Gurukul, the center of excellence of Sanskrit scholarship, and Ravisankar Prasad, sir, MP from, should give full patronage, full financial support to Bihar Sanskrit Vyapit to make Sanskrit and socialism go high in the world and to make India a great country of the world. Like Buddhist India, Buddhist Asia. That is my message to Ravisankar Prasad.
Okay.